Alright, this is our first time doing cenote, so we might or we might not do some cliff jumping. We're going through like 3 different cenotes today, right?
Yeah, that's the plan at least. Watch
okay.
out, car.
Just a really pretty nature here. Alright, so we got some pastries from Mega, which is like a grocery store. And we got some sweet cookies, we got some chocolate croissant, 2 maple donuts, and
ham and cheese thing.
And we also got some fruit. So now I'm officially in my swimsuit, and I'm not gonna be the first one to jump, or may not jump anyways. He's going to jump. I'm gonna be here being the best girlfriend to film him jumping.
With my action camera stick that I got you for Christmas, best boyfriend ever award.
And now you're the first one to use it. I love you in case I die, or you die.
Yeah, you're not gonna die filming it.
Bye.
I get so high when we're together, and I hope this high will last forever. I know this high could end whenever. See, I don't mind, 'cause it's you and I, and I'm feeling fine.
Alex, come over here. Come over here.
The jump wasn't bad, but it was still terrifying. You know what I mean?
We're gonna do a second time? We're gonna do a second jump? Yeah? For now?
Yeah, it's a little bit like that roller coaster feel, you know what I mean? Like that. You get that like anxiety. It's super deep.
So first cenote done.
First one done.
First one done. Check off the list. Woo!
Outfit change.
Outfit change. And my hair looks like shit right now. But at least we got all the photos and kind of video clips taken.
Boy, you got me closing in. Summer started, careless, I just wanted me. Turning over, a new page of life persists. We'll be up to the sun.
So we just realized there's actually a tornado kind of thing.
It might cause a tsunami, right, Chia?
That's my biggest fear, tsunami for sure. Waves are getting crazier. That's the only thing I can tell right now.
I thought it was dolphins.
No. If it's dolphin, everyone will be like more cheerful, but everyone will just like stare in the same direction and just like.
Thought they were in awe.
This episode on how likely are we gonna die? Hey, but look at this view.
Your earrings are stabbing me in the back.
Look up.
Whoa.
License. But yeah, today is our pre-New Year's Eve Tulum party day. Dana is reading. Nick is chilling. Guys, the rainbow is getting crazy right now.
It's a rainbow.
In the meanwhile, Dana doesn't care.
What's a rainbow?
Running over, a new page of life persists. We'll be up to the sunrise. Feeling quite alright. No rush.
I'm still reading. I've been here. I've been reading. I'm reading books. I'm not dumb. Kinda dumb. Not that dumb. That I'm kinda dumb. Because I'm really smart, but dumb. Know what I mean? Okay, fam. I think you get it.
Feeling quite alright. No rush, take your time. We can take it slow. Ready, set, and go.
I'll do blow areas with spinach and can I see what moringa is on here?
Getting warmer, passion to ignite the flame. Fever's rising.